This is Food with Us. Today we are going to be making cookie cups, peanut butter fudge. The first ingredient is going to be 1/4 of a cup of butter. The second ingredient is 1 tablespoon of water. The next ingredient is peanut butter cookie mix. Next, we're going to mix this all up. All mixed up, guys. Now we're gonna make the cookie shape with 1 tablespoon. We put it in the cup. Now we're gonna squish it flat. And this is what it should look like. And now we're gonna put this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. Okay guys, my cookies are done. Now I need to flatten it with the spoon to make a cup. So now I am going to put my chocolate fudge on the cookie cup. And now we're going to add our Reese's Pieces. Now I'm gonna put some sprinkles. It's your option if you want it. And we're all done, guys. I hope you enjoy my cookie cups. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you next time. Bye, guys.